court has commenced its sitting, and today the hearings that you conduct and also your case was called. How do you react to such proceedings?
Well, we started on a very good note. I believe you were here and heard what we said in reply to the statement by the presiding justice of this court. Maybe let me repeat myself. I said that the decision to be rendered will impact on Nigeria's electoral jurisprudence, judicialism, and constitutionalism. It's very, very important that this is made known, because one way or the other, I do not think that it will be business as usual as far as Nigeria's electoral jurisprudence is concerned. And we have assured the court that we will do all that we can to ensure that these petitions are heard expeditiously, because everybody is anxious, waiting for the outcome of the hearing. Nigerians are anxious. Most Nigerians are anxious. I believe that they will enjoy what is going to happen here. Robust advocacy. You can be sure of that. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay.